Hi guys, good morning. So this is my view in front of my hotel room. Wow, look at that. Medyo mahangin siya guys, tapos medyo malamig yung hangin, pero hindi naman siya tulad kahapon. And then you look at this, maraming boats. Yung mga boat na yan pwede nyo i-rent para kayo ay ano kayo dyan sa lake. Ayan siya, ayan. Yan mga boat na yan, mga speedboat, pwede nyo i-rent. I don't know how much. And then yeah, it's really fun if you rent the speedboat, but it's cold. So this is my view in front of my room. So this restaurant guys is connected siya dito sa hotel namin, pero yung restaurant na yan ay pizza lang yung andyan. Tapos ayoko mag pizza, tapos hindi kasi ako mahilig sa pizza dito sa US. Iba sa Pinas yung lasa ng pizza. So this is my view for today. And then yung building na yan ay ano yan siya, condominium. That one, condominium yan siya, condominium. And then pupunta kami mamaya ng asawa ko dyan kasi mag cruise ship kami. Ayan, so nag-book na kaming ticket kahapon. The price is $50 each. Tapos yung asawa ko may discount kasi ano siya, senior citizen. Tapos biniro ko yung asawa ko, sabi ko I'm a senior citizen already because I'm for almost 50 years old. So it's consider na US ano na ako, senior citizen. Tignan yung mga kulay ng mga trees guys. Oh my gosh, nag-start na silang maging colorful. Yan. So mag cruise ship kami mamaya, and then 2 hours. So iikutin namin yung buong lake. Tapos sa gilid-gilid ng lake guys, masya kayo, maraming mga mansions house like this one. Ayan, nakita nyo yung ayan, yung mga bahay na yan, mga ano yan, mga mansions yan. Dito pa tapos sa the middle of the forest may mga ano yan guys, may mga mansions house pa dyan. Mga rich people yung nandyan nakatira, nagtatago sa gitna ng kakahuyan yung mga rich people. Ayaw nila sa city, nandyan lang sila sa dito. Tapos dito guys, lalo na pag yung bahay mo ay nasa yung bahay mo ay nasa malapit in front of the lake, expensive guys, expensive cost of living that place one. So yan, ang ingay ng motor. So while yung asawa ko ay nag-shower, then after mag-shower ng asawa ko ay ako na naman yung mag-shower, and then maghanap kami ng restaurant na doon kami kakain. Cute ng building na yun, parang palasyo yung design. Ayan siya guys. Okay. Welcome to my we need to find a restaurant for breakfast. So makanap lang kami ng restaurant for breakfast kasi itong hotel na to is wala nang restaurant. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ito na ito spray. You're so nice, honey. You're so nice, honey. Why this one is heavy? Heavy my bag. So, maghanap lang kami ng aming kainan. Wait a minute, honey. I'm just checking if I forgot something.
You gonna bring that coat? You better bring the coat.
What coat?
That one.
Oh yeah, can I have that one for me, please? Everything, yeah, I know you do everything. I need to put it in the car, so if ever I feel cold.
Oh, wait a minute.
You forgot something? The key, the
I was
car.
wondering if I
Your
forgot the
zipper is
room key.
open. It's open. Oh, it's not really cold. It's not really cold. So last night is too cold, but now it is not. Or wait, how many minutes that restaurant, honey? 3 minutes.